Hello everyone, how are you? ¿Cómo están? SER and ESTAR verb that translates to be verbs in English are confusing for beginners. SER and ESTAR both translate to the same verbs to say is, am, and are in the present tense. The new learners usually need clarification about where to use them. In this video, I have two videos that clearly explain the use of SER and ESTAR verbs. These videos will help you understand the use of these two verbs clearly. Let's start. When should I use SER verb and when should I use ESTAR verb? This is a common and frequently asked question by beginners. I have the best way to clarify this. Watch the video until the end. Let's see the examples first. Eu sou cozinheiro. I am a cook. Eu estou na cozinha. I am in the kitchen. Eu estou a cozinhar. I am cooking. Let's analyze these three related statements and it will give you the clear idea of using SER and ESTAR verb. In the first statement, eu sou cozinheiro, it gives the answer of who are you or what do you do. O que tu fazes or o que é que tu fazes. What do you do? Or qual é a tua profissão? What is your profession? Eu sou cozinheiro. So if anybody asks you about what you do in general or what is your profession, you use SER verb. Estou na cozinha. I am in the kitchen. This statement answers the question, where are you right now? Onde é que estás? Or onde estás? Where are you? If you need to answer the question or if you want to talk about something, in which location or where are you at the moment, use STAR verb. Eu estou na cozinha. I am in the kitchen. Eu estou em casa. I am at home. Here I noticed most of the students have some confusion. De onde é que és? Here, the preposition de suggests or the question asks you that where are you from? That normally means that your native country. So if in question you see de, that means you have to use the SER verb and you have to talk about your native country. Eu sou do Nepal. But if they ask onde é que estás or onde é que estás agora or onde estás agora, that means they are asking that your current location. Where are you at the time of the conversation? And you use STAR verb to say that your current location. Eu estou na loja. I am in the shop. Eu estou no trabalho. I am at work. And the third one is that eu estou a cozinhar. I am cooking. If somebody asks you, what are you doing at the moment? O que é que estás a fazer? O que é que estás a fazer? What are you doing now? You have to use STAR verb plus a plus the verb or the action you are doing, and it should be in infinitive form. Here I am saying that eu estou a cozinhar because cozinhar is the verb that I am doing. I am cooking. O que é que estás a fazer? What are you doing? Eu estou a falar. I am talking. Eu estou a comer. I am eating. O que é que estás a fazer? Eu estou a beber. I am drinking. So, by practicing these three related statements, it will give you a very clear idea of using SER and ESTAR verb. O que é que faz? Eu sou professor. I am a teacher. De onde é que és? Where are you from? Eu sou do Nepal. I am from Nepal. Onde é que estás agora? Or, onde estás agora? Eu estou na aula online. I am in online class. O que é que estás a fazer? Eu estou a ensinar os meus alunos. I am teaching my students. I hope this video helps you to understand the use of SER and ESTAR verb and also the continuous action. Don't forget to like this video, share it and repost it to reach it to the more and more learners. SER and ESTAR verb. Are you confused? No, no, no. Never be confused. Make it simple. Who are you and where are you from? Use SER verb. Eu sou Niques. I am Niques. Eu sou português. I am Portuguese. Eu sou de Portugal. I am from Portugal. Naturalmente, sou do Nepal. Naturally, I am from Nepal. Eu sou engenheiro de software. I am software engineer. Eu sou professor também. I am also a teacher. Sou careca. I am bald. I am taklu, right? Who am I? I use SER verb to answer this question. Where am I right now? I use ESTAR verb. Where are you right now? Use ESTAR verb. Eu estou em Lisboa. I am in Lisbon. Eu estou muito feliz. I am very happy. Eu estou triste. I am sad. It's easy to remember, right? So there is nothing to confuse. Who are you and where are you from? Use SER verb. Where are you right now? Or how you feeling right now? Use ESTAR verb. Can you answer now? Where are you from and where are you right now? Answer in the comment. I hope you are now very clear about using SER and ESTAR verbs in context. However, if you are still confused, you can ask questions in the comment box. I am always happy to help you by answering them. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Press the bell icon to get the videos as they are published. I am sure you have already subscribed to the channel. If not, please subscribe to us. Thank you very much for listening to and sharing this video. Happy learning!